Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Can you see the lecture on the screen?
Yes, miss.
Okay. We are starting question number 2. In question number 2, we have given two sets, A and B. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, miss.
Okay. And we have to prove question number 2. Actually, yesterday we were solving, but due to technical issue, we couldn't solve our question. So now we are going to solve question number 17, in which you have given A delta B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. And you have to prove both sides, okay? And it's up to you which side you want to take first. So let us take left hand side, which we have given A delta D, okay, is equal to, Aisha, can you hear me clearly? In set A, we
Yes,
write,
miss.
in set A, we write 1 elements of set and 1, 2, 3, and then curly bracket, and middle we will write delta symbol. This is not a triangle, it's a delta. And set B. Oh, just a second. Okay. And then 2, 4. Alicia, can you hear me? Urbano, Alicia, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Here we are solving A delta B, okay? And what we do in delta's process, any idea? Did I told you yesterday? No? In delta case, we cancel or we don't write the common values, we write the non-common values, okay? The common values cancel, or we don't write common values. The values which are non-common in both sides, we will write in combined form. Like which term, which elements are non-common in both sides? Now tell me. कौन कौन से elements non-common है, जल्दी से बताइए. One is not common.
6, 8.
One is
Yes,
not
6.
common. Start from the smallest letter.
6 and 8.
1.
3, 6.
Yes.
3,
Yes.
6, 8.
Yes.
And
Excellent.
8.
This is the answer of A delta B, and we have completed our left hand side. Okay. We have done our left hand side. Now this is the time to solve a right hand side, which we have given A union B and minus A intersection B. First we solve A union B. Here, and as I told in last class, how to take union, you are familiar, okay? Now tell me directly. आप मुझे directly बता दीजिए union हम किस तरह लेते हैं. In union case,
1, 2, 3, 4.
yes, 1.
5, 4, 6, 2.
Wait a minute. 1. Just
3,
write
1,
the both sides element in a
3,
single set. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4, 6, 8.
6 and 8. Very good. Excellent. That's mean you are taking interest and you are taking seriously your studies. Wait a minute. Just a second. Okay. Light show. Double light. Okay, now class, this is the time to take the intersection. Directly, please tell me which elements are common in both sides.
2.
Yes. 2.
4.
2 and 4. Okay. And now, which is the next step? Which is the next step? Next step में क्या है? कौन सा है? We in right hand side, we take out, we solved A union B. We got the value of A intersection B, right? Now this is the time to take a minus, okay, or to subtract the sets. Like A union B. According to given question, we will write A union B, bracket, and then minus A intersection B. Sorry, I have no practice. That's why please ignore my writing style. Just focus what I am teaching you, okay? A union B minus A intersection B. So right here, we will write 1 A union B set like this as I am writing A union B, value A1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. And in the middle, we will write which symbol we will use. Yes, class. Which symbol will I put here? Should I put here? कौन सा symbol यहाँ पे use होगा? Any idea?
2 and 4.
Minus symbol, okay? 4. Because in minus, in the middle we have, we are
6, 8.
2, comma 4. Students, are you getting my point? Here we are putting the value of
Yes, miss.
given condition A union B minus A intersection B. Okay? And then in minus case, what we have to do?
Yes.
In minus case, we cancel the common values, common elements, and in first bracket, we will remaining elements we will write from the first bracket. Okay, in minus case, we will write non-common element from first bracket in minus. Okay, please remember this point. In delta in delta case, we will write also the non-common element, but we take the non-common element from both sides. डेल्टा में दोनों साइड्स के एलिमेंट्स लिए जाते हैं, वेयर एज माइनस में सिर्फ पहले ब्रैकेट के नॉन कॉमन एलिमेंट्स लिए जाते हैं. रिमेंबर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेल्टा एंड इन माइनस. ओके okay, now 2 and 4 is are common elements, so we will write non-common, which are 1, 3, and 8.
1, 6, 8.
Yes. Now class, you can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have proved both sides. Is there any confusion? Please look the question very carefully because we will. Is there any confusion? Alicia, Aisha, and Hurban,
No,
another students? No?
No, miss.
Okay. Musa Farooq, is there any confusion? Can you hear me, Musa?
Yes, miss. No confusion.
Okay. Now, clear the board and then next पे हम जब move करेंगे. Can you do it question 18 by yourself? या फिर कर देंगे as a homework? Or you need my help? Yes, class. कर लेंगे ये solve? Can you do it by yourself?
Yes, miss.
It's
Yes,
same.
miss.
But in this A delta B, you will take it same. But in right hand side, you see that in right hand side A minus B, and here minus B minus A. ये इस तरह होगा. Not ये इस तरह होगा. I think B minus A. B minus A. ये आपको प्रूफ करना होगा. Can you do it by yourself? Alicia, Aisha, and Hurbano, Musa. ये आप खुद कर सकते हैं?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
So question number 18 is given as a homework. Okay. Other question I am going to telling you next. Okay. Here we have to prove A minus B is equal to A minus A intersection B. I am taking left hand side, which is in front of us, A minus B. Okay, class. And for A minus B, we will first write the elements of the set. Set A, we have 1, 2, and comma 3 and 4. Okay. And then minus, and here we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now class, you will tell me the answer of A minus B. Yes class. Tell me the answer of this question.
1, 1,
1, 3.
1, 3, 6, 8.
No, who is giving answer? 1368 is not the answer. Its answer is 1 comma 3 because
1, 3.
1 comma 3. Non-common in minus case, we will take only the elements of first set. Okay, हम इसमें नॉन कॉमन एलिमेंट्स लेंगे फर्स्ट सेट के. वो डेल्टा वाले में होता है कि उसमें हम 1 3 6 8 लेते हैं. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes.
Yes.
We have completed our left hand side. Now,
Yes.
in right hand side, what we have to do? Can you tell me in right hand side what should we do first? A minus A intersection B. So what should we do? First we need to taken out the value of. Yes class. पहले हमें कौन सी value लेनी है?
A की.
No, we have A set also.
B.
First of all, we will generate the set of A intersection B. हमें A intersection B की value चाहिए because we don't have the set of A intersection B, right? According to given condition, we need A intersection. Okay, directly please from the question, please आप मुझे बता दीजिए कि A intersection B क्या है? Tell me A intersection B. Which elements are the part of A intersection B? With the help of values can be taken from the question number 2. Question number 2 से लेंगे आप ले सकते हैं. बताइए. Which elements are common in A and B set? Yes class.
With 6.
Oh, Bano, start from smallest number. Start from smallest number. 2.
1.
2,
Common element. In intersection we took
4,
2 and 4.
4,
Yes. In intersection.
6,
No, 6 is not common. In intersection we take common elements. Okay. Intersection में हम common लेते हैं. आप उसको उससे compare ना करो. Okay. Now this is the time to put the value in according to given question. A minus A intersection B. Okay. Are you getting my point, student? What I am trying to saying? आपको समझ आ रहा है जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ?
yes,
Yes.
Okay, excellent. So write according to given condition. First we write the set of. We will write the set of A, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4.
3, 4.
And 4. Okay, and then in the middle we will write put the sign of minus because it is given in question, and then A intersection B. A intersection B set we have 2, 4. Now class, tell me which value we will which element set we will get from the above relation. हम यहाँ से कौन सा सेट लेंगे? हमें क्या मिलेगा? कौन सा सेट मिलेगा? Which values elements we will get from above? Yes class, what should be the answer?
1,
1, excellent, and
3.
1 and 3, right class? And now you
Yes.
can see that left hand side equal to right hand side. We have proved it. Is there any confusion?
No.
No.
इस तरह proof होगा. When left hand side answer will be equal to right hand side, that's mean we have done our question right way. Okay. Okay. Now move towards the next question, which we have given. वैसे बहुत आसान topics हैं. These are very easy topics. Okay. Question number 20. In question number 20, we have given De Morgan's law. Okay. De Morgan's law consists of two parts. Part 1, we have formula. De Morgan's law consists of two parts. In part 1 formula, you have given A union B intersection is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And part 2 we have A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. When we have a union in the bracket, then on right hand side we have intersection with complements. And in part 2, when we have intersection symbol inside the bracket, on right hand side we have union. Okay class, are you getting my point? Now in solution, first we will write solution में देखें अब हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर. Okay class, now tell me as I picked the left hand side. अब हमने यहाँ पर left hand side pick की है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पिक की हुई है, तो मुझे बताइए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में वी हैव वैल्यू A यूनियन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू, अब ये हमारे पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है, ये फॉर्मूला 1 A यूनियन B होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू A कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट. फर्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट A यूनियन B, हम यहाँ पे पहले A यूनियन B निकालेंगे. ओके सॉल्व करेंगे लाइक दिस. A यूनियन B इक्वल टू, नाउ प्लीज क्लास टेल मी डायरेक्टली. Yes class, A union B. A union B. Yes class, which should be the value? What should be the value of A union B?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3 is not the part.
3.
It's not element in both sides. 1, 2, 4.
8.
6.
6.
Union.
8.
I mean the values in given set. 8. 10.
15.
10, 14.
12.
And then 16.
16.
And 20.
20.
Sorry, 18.
18.
And 20.
20.
Yes.
20.
Yes. Okay, class. Now this is the time to put the value according to given formula A union B whole complement. Now we will subtract A union B from universal set. Then we got the value of a set of A union B whole complement. According to given condition, we know that A union B whole complement, we have अब A union B complement, we have how to calculate complement. In complement we will write first universal set values 1, 2, 3. Okay, I am doing बल्कि नहीं अब नहीं हो सकता. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and it is continuously right till 20. And then minus sign, because according to given condition अब यहाँ पे minus sign आएगा क्योंकि ये हम लोग ये वाला process कर रहे हैं. A union B, write the elements of A union B, and then 1, 2, 4, then 6. Sorry, we have
8.
this, so I'm writing down 8, 10.
10.
14, and then comma 16,
16.
and then
18.
18,
20.
And 20.
and 20. Now class, tell me the final answer of A union B whole complement. यहाँ पे मुझे आंसर बता दीजिए इसका डायरेक्टली. What we do in minus sign? Is there any idea?
3.
Yes, excellent. Who is giving answer? Yes, 3.
3.
Then non-common elements from first bracket. Pick non-common element from first bracket like 3, and then 5 and 7.
9.
9.
11.
11.
12.
13.
12.
13.
And then
15.
yes.
17.
17.
Yes. And
19.
and 19. Okay. We have solved right hand.
हम आधे नंबर में नहीं होते.
We have solved left hand side. So please remember this side because ये मुझे clear करना होगा. I have to clear this space due to the space issue. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17 and 19 is the answer of left hand side. Okay. So on when we solve right hand side, left hand side, अब हम left hand side पे move कर रहे हैं. We have a complement. अच्छा जी, अब आ गए राइट हैंड साइड पे. इसके लिए हमें क्या सॉल्व करना है? ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ओके, फर्स्ट वी नीड टू टेक आउट ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. कैन यू टेल मी डायरेक्टली ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट? ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? कॉम्प्लीमेंट जस्ट वैल्यू जस्ट यू माइनस ए. ओके, जिसके ऊपर कॉम्प्लीमेंट का सिंबल बना होता है उसको यूनिवर्सल साइड से माइनस करवा देते हैं. इज देयर एनी कंफ्यूजन? कॉम्प्लीमेंट मींस जस्ट लाइक अब हमने इसमें क्या किया था? एज इन अबव कॉम्प्लीमेंट साइन वाज इज ऑन द ए यूनियन बी, राइट? ये इसके ऊपर है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट साइन यहाँ पर ए यूनियन बी के ऊपर है, तो हमने इसको जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सल सेट यू माइनस ए यूनियन बी. अब यहाँ पर कॉम्प्लीमेंट किसके ऊपर है? ए सेट के ऊपर ओनली, तो यू माइनस ए. बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट के ऊपर है तो किसके ऊपर लिखेंगे? व्हेन वी गॉट द कॉम्प्लीमेंट साइन ऑन बी, सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट बी सेट फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सल सेट, राइट? नाउ क्लास टेल मी द डायरेक्टली आंसर फ्रॉम द अबव वैल्यूज u माइनस a. क्या बचेगा? व्हेन यू सब्ट्रैक्ट a एलिमेंट्स a set from universal, then which elements is remaining in universal set? Yes class. Non-common.
1.
3.
No,
No.
one is common. Sorry, one is common, so one is not the part of n.
3.
Yes, 3.
5.
5.
Yes, and then
7.
6,
6.
7. We will write non-common element from both sides.
9.
9.
9 and then 11.
11,
Yes,
12.
13,
11, 12,
12.
13.
15,
13.
15,
Wait a minute.
15.
Let me solve 14,
15.
17.
17.
17, comma,
18.
18,
19.
19.
19.
Very good. Okay. Okay, class. Now we got a complement. Now this is the time to take out the value of set of B complement. As usual, from what should be the formula of B complement? U.
U minus B.
Very good. Now tell me the set of complement B. Yes, class. Pick value, subtract B set from universal. Then the value set we have, elements we have 1,
1.
3.
3.
4,
4. 5.
5.
5,
7.
sorry, yes,
9.
7,
comma, oh, wait a minute, just a second. Yes,
9.
9.
wait, please. Yes,
9,
9,
11.
11,
11,
11,
12.
12.
11,
12,
yes, and then
13.
13.
yes,
15,
15.
मेरे पीछे सब जवाब देते हैं.
15, and then
16.
70, 70,
yes,
17.
17,
and
90,
and
20.
because 20 is not in
Nothing. Okay. आखिरी है nothing.
okay class, done. We have completed A complement intersection B, A complement B complement. Now tell me the common element from both sides. Tell me the common elements from both sets. दोनों sides के common element बताइए.
1,
According to the definition, no, one is not common, Hurbano. 3, comma, yes class.
Miss 1 भी तो है Miss.
Hurbano, look on the screen carefully, yaar. In A complement, one is not element of the A. And in complement sign, we take common in intersection case, we take common element. Intersection में common लेते हैं यार. Okay, 3. Intersection में common लेते हैं. We pick the common element from both sides. 3, 5, and then
7.
7,
yes,
9,
9,
then
11,
11,
yes,
12,
12.
12,
13,
13.
13,
yes,
15,
17,
15,
16,
16 is not common.
17,
17.
And
19.
9.
19.
So we have proved our left hand side. अब वो हमारे पास है नहीं. Sorry, we have lost due to the space issue. अब वो हमारे पास है नहीं. लेकिन ये आप when you start ये इस तरह हमें करना है. Part 2, can you do it by yourself as a homework?
Yes.
First, you will solve the A intersection B. You will take out the solve out A intersection B, and then you will subtract it from U minus A intersection B. तो वो राइट हैंड साइड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हो जाएगी और उसमें भी A इंटरसेक्शन A कॉम्प्लीमेंट B कॉम्प्लीमेंट देन यू विल टेक यूनियन और वो आंसर आ जाएगा. इज देयर एनी कंफ्यूजन?
No.
Okay, then we will move towards the next topic.
No, miss.
We have completed our exercise 1.2. Okay, now Cartesian products of set 1.3 is going to be start here. Very easy exercise. Cartesian products of sets. Cartesian product. Okay, is there any confusion in union, intersection, complement, delta, minus? इनमें कोई confusion है आपको?
No, miss.
Okay, let me review. In union sets, we combine both sets element in a single set. Okay, union में हम दोनों के values को arrange करके लिखते हैं. Is there any confusion? In union.
No.
In intersection, sorry. In intersection case, we take the common element from both sides. Okay, और उसके बाद in delta में we will write non-common element from both sides. delta में दोनों elements sets के non-common element लिखे जाते हैं दोनों के. In minus sign, in minus case, we will write non-common element of only from the first element bracket. First set के non-common element लिखे जाते हैं minus में. delta में दोनों के लिखे जाते हैं minus में. Only we take the elements of first set. Okay. And in complement sign, we will subtract the relevant set given set from the universal set. जो भी set हमें complement में given होता है उसको उससे हम minus करवा देते हैं. Now Cartesian products of set. Cartesian products of last topic we have Cartesian product of two sets A and B is defined as follows. Cartesian को हम cross से represent करते हैं just like A cross B. Okay, and both elements A and B, A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Okay, जो भी बनेगा वो common element कहलाएगा. Okay, now order pair we will discuss later. ये हम बाद में discuss करेंगे. अभी हम सिर्फ एक question करते हैं because we don't have too much time. So, okay, in very easy questions in A cross B, what should we do? Very easy method. Okay, so first we write A. We will have to find out A cross B. Okay, and then we will write set A, B, C, and D, and cross set B, we have given y, comma, z, and then curly bracket. Now, when we talk about Cartesian products, we will...
मिस आवाज कट रही है.
Hello, can you hear me clearly? It becomes
Yes, miss.
ay. We will write like this: a, comma, y. We will write it in order pair form. This is order pair. First element, second element, and then with a circle bracket, and then this circle bracket again: a comma y, a comma z, b comma y, b comma z, c comma y, c comma z, d comma y, and d comma z. These are the order pairs of a cross b. Okay, like this, which I'm a comma y and a comma z.
Comma B.
Comma is also the part of set, okay, and circle bracket also.
Okay.
B. Now class, tell me.
Comma Y.
Yes.
Y.
B, comma Y.
Yes. And
B, comma Z.
P, comma Z.
Z.
excellent. And then
C, comma
C, comma
C,
Y.
C, comma Z. Y.
yes. Comma.
C, comma Z.
C, comma Z.
Comma Z.
And
D
then,
बोलो.
and then
D, comma Y.
yes.
D, comma Y. D, comma Z.
D, comma Z.
Okay, class.
D, comma Z.
We have completed. This is the method of. Sorry. This is the method of.
आप भी अपनी क्लास में.
Wait. This is the method of.
जवाब देने में खुल जाएगा.
ये इसको D, comma, Z. Okay. These are the Cartesian products. ये इस तरह करना है हमें. Cartesian product इस तरह solve किए जाते हैं. Is there any confusion? Very easy ना?
No, miss.
Okay. अच्छा मुझे बताइए B cross A में कैसे करेंगे? Now you will tell me.
Miss Y, comma A. Y, comma B.
Yes.
Y, comma A.
Yes. Y comma A, Y comma B,
Y, comma B.
and Y comma D.
Y, comma C.
हाँ.
C.
And then
Y, comma D.
Y, comma D.
Z comma B, Z comma C, and Z,
Z,
comma
comma A.
D.
और मिस
Z, comma D.
Students, Aisha, Urbano, Alicia, Musa.
No, miss.
Point. Okay. Now in A cross A, what should we do?
Yes, miss.
A cross A.
A, comma A.
A, comma A.
A, comma B.
A, comma
A,
B.
comma C.
A, comma C.
A, comma D.
Same way, okay?
B, comma A.
C, comma D.
B,
Urbano,
comma A.
Urbano, okay. In the same way, you are able to solve any question of Cartesian products. Okay? ये हमने solve कर लिया.
मिस
सुनने दे दो भाई.
Yes, Urbano.
मिस आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
उर्बानो आपकी आवाज का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा
मिस
है.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
उर्बानो आपकी आवाज का इशू हो रहा है. Can other students, can you hear me clearly? Other students, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now question.
Yes, miss.
अच्छा, अब मुझे आप मेरे सही पार्ट है. So that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. What does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या है? Can you tell me? Can anyone explain? इसमें हमें क्या करना है? First you will take the Cartesian product with A cross B. A cross B and B cross A. आप देखेंगे दोनों के एलिमेंट्स मैच नहीं हो रहे हैं, राइट? ऑर्डर पेयर चेंज हो गया है, तो फिर वो क्या हो जाएगा? इक्वल नहीं होगा. लाइक A comma Y is not equal to Y comma A. B comma Z is not equal to Z comma B. अब दोनों को आप पहले फर्स्ट यू विल टेक आउट A cross B, then B cross A, then compare. If the order pairs are not same, then it means that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Are you getting my point, students? समझ आ रही है मेरी बात?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now we have question number 2. Question number 2, very easy and very interesting topic. We have question number 2 हम solve करेंगे. 4 मिनट है अभी हमारे पास, तो हम इसको इसमें मूव करवा देते हैं और जल्दी से सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. ओके. ऑर्डर पेयर्स. We are talking about order pairs. Order pairs means we compare the both values set. In order pairs, you can see that we have given, this is first value, this is second value. First value after comma, it considered as a second value, okay? In when we talk about show that the order pairs this are equal, then we compare first bracket term with second bracket first term, and second term of first bracket will compare with second term of second bracket. फर्स्ट टर्म से कंपेयर होगी, सेकंड टर्म सेकंड टर्म कंपेयर होगी. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट स्टूडेंट? समझ आ रहा है आपको?
Yes.
Okay, let's solve it. X plus y is the first term of first bracket. X plus y will be compared with first term of second bracket. ये देखिए like this, ये comparison. First term are comparing, okay? And then second term. X.
ये शोर बहुत हो रहा है.
Wait a minute. X minus y is equal to.
Is equals to 2.
Is there any confusion?
No.
Yes, Alisha.
No,
Aisha is looking confused. Aisha, any problem?
No, miss. No, miss.
Clear है? Alisha,
Yes,
बेटा सबको clear है? Okay.
Yes.
ये हमारे पास इक्वेशन 1 हो गई. We give the name or we assign it as equation number 1 and we assign this equation number 2. Now class, this is only solution when we talk about or the solution of equations. ये equation बन गई है, okay? अब हम इसको solution ऐसे करेंगे. We will add the equations. When we will add the equation, add, I am representing with the equation 1 and 2. जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो इसमें क्या होगा? मैं डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर कर रही हूँ क्योंकि टाइम नहीं है और स्पेस भी नहीं है.
मिस प्लस के बराबर क्या लिखा हुआ है?
ऐड इक्वेशन 1 and 2. ऐड इक्वेशन 1 and 2 एंड देन ये ऑपोजिट साइन, सेम टर्म ऑपोजिट साइन कैंसिल. प्लस वाई माइनस वाई कैंसिल हो गया. दोनों के 1 - 1 सेम 0 हो जाएगा ना. 1y एंड -1 कैंसिल. ओके, यहाँ पे बताइए क्या होगा? +1 and +1 become
2x.
Excellent. And there is equal to 2 + 4.
6.
Excellent.
6.
And now यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या है? 2x is equal to
6.
and answer we will get 2 1 2, 2 3 6.
6.
अब x is equal to 3 आ गया. इसको आपकी मर्जी है किसी भी इक्वेशन में पुट कर दें. जल्दी से, हमारे पास टाइम बहुत कम है. 0 मिनट, आधा मिनट रह गया. x + y, ये देखिए, लेट सपोज मैंने इक्वेशन नंबर 1 ले ली है और इसके इक्वेशन 1 ये है. अब x की जगह पे वी विल राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. अब बताइए क्या आंसर होगा? 3 + y = 4. y का आंसर क्या होगा? जल्दी से बता दीजिए.
1.
Y का आंसर 2y.
Who is saying 1? X y = 1. Why? क्योंकि
ये नहीं बोला.
ये यहाँ के शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, प्लस के साथ है, उधर आके माइनस हो जाएगा. 4 - 3 = 1. Is there any confusion, class?
मिस